Tired of overpacking? Struggling to fit everything in? Let's unpack what you don't need. After years of travel, experienced adventurers have learned one crucial lesson. Less is more. Today, we're revealing 12 items that seasoned travelers never pack. These game-changing tips will transform how you travel forever. Number 1. Bulky towels. Hotels provide them and they take up massive suitcase space. That's prime real estate you can't afford to waste. Number 2. Extra shoes. One comfortable walking pair and one dressy option is all you need. Shoes are heavy and bulky. Choose versatile styles that work for multiple occasions. Number 3. Just-in-case outfits. That fancy dress for a dinner that might happen? Leave it home. Pack versatile pieces that mix and match. Quality over quantity wins every time. Number 4. Hairstyling tools. Curling irons, straighteners, and blow dryers are space hogs. Most hotels provide hair dryers, and travel-sized tools work just as well. Number 5. Excessive electronics. Multiple chargers, backup cameras, and gadgets you'll never use. Stick to essentials. Phone, charger, and maybe one backup battery. That's it. Number 6. Full-size toiletries. Those giant shampoo bottles aren't doing you any favors. Travel-size containers or solid alternatives save space and meet airline regulations. Number 7. Physical books and magazines. They're heavy and you'll probably only read one. E-readers and phone apps give you unlimited reading without the weight. Number 8. 2 weeks worth of underwear for a 5-day trip. We've all been there. Pack for your trip length plus 2 extra days. You can always do laundry. Number 9. Expensive jewelry and valuables. Why risk losing your grandmother's necklace? Bring simple, inexpensive pieces you won't mind losing or leaving behind. Number 10. Specialty clothing for activities you might do. That ski jacket for a beach vacation? Research your destination and pack accordingly. Versatile layers work everywhere. Number 11. Back up everything. 2 of every item, just in case, doubles your luggage weight. Trust that you can buy replacements if needed. Most destinations have stores. Number 12. Packing your suitcase to maximum capacity, leaving no room for souvenirs. Always leave space for memories. That's what travel is really about. Travel smart, pack less, enjoy more. Less packing means less stress, lower baggage fees, and more mobility. You'll move faster, explore more, and worry less about your belongings. Light packing opens doors to spontaneous adventures and last-minute changes. Ready to revolutionize your travel experience? Start with your next trip. Subscribe for more travel tips and remember, the best travelers pack the least.